The 50-30-20 rule breaks your take-home pay into 3 buckets: needs, wants, and savings. Forget tracking dozens of tiny categories. Just keep an eye on these numbers. First, half of your income goes toward your absolute needs. These are your non-negotiables, the living expenses you must pay. This includes, if you lost your job tomorrow, then it is a need. Next, 30% for your wants. Budgeting shouldn't feel like a punishment. Wants are lifestyle choices: dining out, streaming, and vacations. Basic groceries are a need. Finally, the remaining 20% goes to your future self. This builds your financial safety net. Split this between emergency funds, retirement, and debt. Pro tip: don't wait. Ready to put this into action? 1. Calculate your net income. 2. Review last month's spending. 3. Adjust the dial. Shift funds until you hit 50-30-20. First, 50% goes to your absolute needs. These are your essential living expenses, like rent, utilities, and groceries. If you must pay it to survive, it's a need. The first 50% of your after-tax income is for your needs. These are expenses you can't easily avoid. For example, if you bring home $5,000 a month after taxes, your target for essential expenses would be around $2,500.
Now, if you live in a high-cost area, that 50% might feel impossible. And that is okay. The rule is a framework, not a strict law. Percentages to fit your life. Next, allocate 30% of your income for your wants. This is the category that most strict budgets ignore. Wants include dining out, streaming services, and hobbies. Budgeting should not.
The next 30% is for your wants. This is money to enjoy life: restaurants, travel, and hobbies, and other things you enjoy. With a $5,000 monthly take-home income, that's around $1,500 for wants. Budgeting doesn't mean you can't have fun. The goal is to spend intentionally. Know how much you can afford. Enjoy without worrying. With a $5,000 monthly income, 20% would be $1,000. That's $12,000 a year if you consistently set that money aside.
The 50-30-20 rule isn't a strict law. Maybe it's 60-20-20 or 70-15. Your financial situation is unique. Create a system that helps you control your spending.
So remember, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and financial goals. Your income is important, but knowing how to...
If you want more simple money tips and smart investing education, subscribe to WealthSpark Daily. Because when your money has a plan, your future can have one too. Thanks for watching.